Hi guys, I have a problem that my filament got broken, and see, now it is stuck in the tube and it does not want to go out. And if I click here on number 1, I cannot really unload it. So how to solve the situation? So the problem is that it really does not want to go out, and you cannot even move with the nozzle when you open it. I mean, it's completely stuck there. When I move here, sorry, does not work anymore. I mean, nothing, it does not react. And here the hard cut, I mean, too much power to be used. Therefore I try to first, let's say, load a different filament, and this will help me to unload this problematic filament. So let's load, for example, this blue filament. Now it goes through all the procedure. Now it's loading the blue filament. See, it's pushing new filament into the extruder. So the problematic filament, the yellow one, should be released. Now it says load completed. So hopefully now the yellow filament will be easy to remove from the tube. Before that, I will unload the loaded filament, the blue one. So now again the procedure needs to start. Right now the filament has been unloaded, so we need to now take the broken filament off its tube. To remove it, you need to put the screw here and gently push it up or down. Up. Okay. Now I can see there is no filament inside the tube. So all the filament is really here. So I will just take this off. Perfect. And now I need to take the broken filament out of this PTFE tube. Since my filament is broken here, but of course it could be broken even here or somewhere else within the tube itself. So the best way is now to remove the tube out of this connection and then to push the filament out with a thin stick, or again maybe with a filament. So to remove it, you have to basically push this button down and then pull this out. So here, push down, and see, easily it went out. I cut out a bit of an old filament, and now I will put it here and basically push out the filament. Okay, I push it out, and voila, is here. So now I will just take it out. The tube is now cleaned, and you can reload the new filament into the system. I hope that helps, and sorry for a lower quality from time to time. Okay guys, bye bye.